time. Ikaw, time for Dunkin' Coffee, hot or iced?
Your playground, now online. Bet88 has over 1,500 games, secure and fast gameplays. Meron pang play for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte to. Bet88.ph.
Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun. Game responsibly.
Experience the thrill and excitement. Sign up and play online casino, e-bingo, and sports betting at Bet88.ph. Bet88. Ibang swerte to.
Prepare delightful dishes every time with Technogas Technique appliances. Experience excellent cooking results with Technogas Technique's premium selection of cooking ranges, range hoods, built-in hobs, ovens, and kitchen appliances. Technogas Technique combines elegance, functionality, safety, and durability to enhance your skills and passion for cooking. Make Technogas Technique your cooking partner and fill your kitchen with appliances made to last. That's the Technogas Technique.
Api ka pa sa batas, may lapid law na magtatanggol sa iyo mula kay Senador Lito Lapid. Republic Act 9999 o ang Free Legal Assistance Law para sa mga walang abogado. Kahit na sinong lawyer, pwede mong kunin ng libre. Pwede nilang ikalta sa tax nila ang charge nila sa kaso mo. Kasi isa lang sa inyo ang dapat bigyan ng Public Attorney's Office o PAO ng abogado na kalaban mo sa kaso. Sa Free Legal Assistance Law, Lapid Law, may abogado ka na agad. Lingkod Lapid para sa masang Pilipino. Senator Lito Lapid.
Whirlpool Appliances brings you a new era of home living, where we are all about sensing what matters. Elevating your lifestyle has never been easier. From Whirlpool washers that adapt to your laundry needs, to refrigerators that extend the freshness of your food items. As an American pride for over 110 years, Whirlpool is dedicated to creating innovations that truly matter. Experience the Whirlpool Sixth Sense innovation. Whirlpool, sensing what matters today. Making your world a little easier. Whirlpool.
Mga kapatid, narito na ang pinakabagong Lotto updates mula sa PCSO. Ang ating Lotto draw ng January 25. Lotto 642, Grand Lotto 655. Tingnan na yung mga ticket para sa result ng Lotto 642 na may prize na 9,796,810 pesos and 20 centavos. At ang winning number combination in any order, 10, 12, 26, 15, 27, 11. At sa mga naghihintay naman para sa Grand Lotto 655 na may price na 29,700,000 pesos, ang winning number combination in any order, 45, 22, 23, 32, 3, 30. Tutok lang lagi dito sa PCSO Lotto Draw Update dahil sa bawat taya, may kawang gawa.
May bagong tahanan na ang Lotto. Simula December 31, 2024, mapapanood na ang 2 p.m., 5 p.m. at 9 p.m. editions ng PCSO Lottery Draw sa IBC 13 at D8TV. Maaari ring ma-access ang live stream ng mga draws sa official PCSO website at FB pages. Gayon din sa YouTube channels ng PCSO, IBC 13 at DWAN 1206. Araw-araw, tumutok lang sa nag-iisang programang Lotto ng Bayan. Mga kalaro, araw-araw, let's play Lotto!
Maraming nanganganib sa kanilang pananampalataya. Sa kabila ng unos, ang kanilang pananampalataya ay patuloy na nagliliyab ng liwanag at pag-asa. Ngunit siya na tumagal hanggang sa wakas, ito'y magsisiligtas. Matthew 24:13. Repent, turn to Jesus today. He is the only way to heaven. Brought to you by MX3.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
Balita, impormasyon, public service, entertainment, music, inspiration. Totoo, tunay, tapat. Ito ang True FM sa 105.9. Dito tayo sa totoo. Simulcast sa True TV sa Signal Channel 19. Susunod na ang Frontline Weekend sa True FM sa 105.9.
Ito ang Frontline Pilipinas Weekend.
TNVS driver